It's a natural, reversible state of unconsciousness from which the person can be aroused by sensory or other stimuli. So, what is sleep? It's a natural, reversible state of unconsciousness from which the person can be aroused by sensory or other stimuli. There are two types: NREM sleep and REM sleep. What is NREM? Non-rapid eye movement sleep. It is also known as slow wave sleep. It's a deep and restful sleep. Rapid eye movement sleep or paradoxical sleep. It's not so restful and it's a dreaming type of sleep. Initial stage is NREM, non-rapid eye movement sleep. After 60 to 90 minutes, it changes to REM sleep. That lasts approximately 20 to 25 minutes. So first NREM sleep begins, it is around 60 to 90 minutes, and later it will continue with the REM sleep, which is approximately around 20 to 25 minutes. What is sleep wake cycle? In adults, 7 to 8 hours of sleep and 16 to 70 hours of the wakefulness. Newborn many cycles of the sleep, and it is controlled by the circadian rhythm by suprachiasmatic nucleus of the hypothalamus. It's regulated by endogenous mechanisms and it is modified by sunlight. During daytime, the sleep is very much difficult to achieve rather than at the night time, where the sleep is normally many people going to achieve it very simply. Slow wave sleep or NREM sleep, it is around 80 percentage of our sleep. It is slow wave sleep and NREM sleep. It is restful during the first hour of the sleep. It's a dreamless or dreams not remember, so there will be no consolidation of the memory takes place. EEG, that means electroencephalogram, it becomes more synchronized and slow. Decrease peripheral vascular tone, blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate and basal metabolic rate. During NREM sleep, specifically there will be decrease in the peripheral vascular tone, blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate and basal metabolic rate. There will be increase in the parasympathetic activity and GIT motility during the NREM sleep. Muscle tone considerable but decrease progressively. So there will be somewhat decrease in the muscle tone, but whatever the decrease in muscle tone, it is progressively decrease. Reflexes are sluggish. There will be decrease in the salivary, lacrimal secretion and urine formation. Pupils are contracting. Awaken easily, that means during this time of NREM sleep, the person will be more easy to awake rather than REM sleep. Pulsatile release of growth hormone and GnRH takes place during the NREM sleep. So it is an important point. REM sleep, it is around 20% of the total sleep. It lasts approximately 5 to 30 minutes after every 90 minutes of NREM sleep. It's a sort about when extremely sleepy. Whenever someone want to sleep in extremely manner, then this type of sleep is very common, rapid eye movement sleep. Active form with dreaming, whatever the dream coming and we remembering about the dream, it takes place in the REM sleep. Active bodily movements, the body movements will also takes place during this sleep. More difficult to arouse by sensory stimuli. Person can be aroused from this sleep, but it will be more difficult to arouse the person who is in the REM sleep cycle, and it will be much difficult. Muscle tone is excessively depressed. The muscle tone is depressed. Rapid movements of the eye is possible. As the name suggests, REM, that means rapid eye movement sleep. Paradoxical sleep, highly active brain but not channelized. So there will be somewhat increase in the metabolic process. So increase in the metabolism. It's a paradoxical type of sleep. Some irregular muscle movements also occur during this REM sleep. Awakened by internal stimuli. If somewhat internal stimuli has been there, then the person can be aroused. Negative emotions are common and prohibited acts and desires are fulfilled safely. Whatever our prohibited acts and desires which are fulfilled very safely during this REM sleep. bruxism, that means during this type of sleep there will be teeth grinding. Somnambulism, that means walking during the sleep. And penile erection or erection of penis is very common in males during this REM sleep. During this REM sleep, we can also observe the PGO spikes, that means pontogeniculo-occipital spikes on the EEG. The heart rate will be irregular, respiratory rate will be irregular. Okay, so next, physiological functions of sleep. So what is the physiological functions of the sleep? Sleep deprivation. Whenever there is somewhat type of sleep deprivation, the catch up or rebound sleep will be there. For example, a person is not able to sleep for a whole night, then the rebound sleep will occurring during the daytime or even the next night. It is needed for the neural maturation. So these are the physiological functions. Maturation of the neurons or whatever the neural structure, it requires the sleep. Facilitation of learning or memory. Without the sleep, the consolidation of the memory cannot take place. So memory consolidation and learning, the sleep having the important aspect. Cognition, that means our thinking, it is also one of the physiological functions of that sleep. After sleep, the cognition process will be more enhanced. Conservation of metabolic energy. So during this sleep time, our metabolic energy has been conserved. Whenever there is a somewhat aspect of the sleep deprivation, so it will going to affect the cognition, physical performance, overall productivity of our self, as well as the health of the person is going to affect it. What is the principal value of sleep? It is to restore the natural balances among the neuronal centers. Effect on the nervous system itself. So what will be the effect? Progressive malfunctions of the thought process, abnormal behavioral activities will be there, increased sluggishness of the thoughts, become irritable, the person will become more irritable, psychotic after forced wakefulness. Not only the sleep is going to affect the nervous system, but it is also going to affect the all the functional systems of the body. Factors which inducing the sleep. First one, sleep deprivation, minimal sensory stimulation. Sleep is more common whenever there is decrease in the sensory stimulation. Darkened room, as during the night time the darkness it induces the sleep. Comfortable surrounding temperature, if the temperature is more comfortable, that's why the during the winter season our sleep has been increased, the duration of the sleep has been increased. Silence, physical and mental relaxation, if the person is relaxed totally physical and mentally, then the sleep is very common during this time. Petting or rocking, sitting in a moving vehicle, for example if you are going through a some type of vehicle, for example by bus, by cars, then you are able to sleep during this time. Sheer fatigue, that means excessive fatigue. Food intake is also going to affect the sleep. So all these are the factors which induce the sleep. Electroencephalogram, the short form of this electroencephalogram, it is the EEG. It is the record of variations in the electrical activity of the brain. It is analyzed by the German psychiatrist Hans Berger. EEG waves, there are four types of EEG waves: alpha, beta, theta and delta. Alpha waves 10 to 12 cycles per second. It is happening during the quiet, resting, awake with closed eyes. Beta waves 13 to 25 cycles per second, and it is occurring during the awake, alert, REM sleep, mentally busy and visual stimulation. During closed eyes there will be alpha wave, but as soon as the person opens the eyes, the waves will be converted to beta waves. Theta waves 5 to 8 cycles per second, and it is during the emotional stress, children and sleep. In children specifically there will be theta waves. Delta waves 1 to 5 cycles per second. This delta wave is occurring during very deep sleep, in infants, during the hypoxic condition and during the coma. So there are four different type of electroencephalogram waves: alpha wave, beta wave, theta wave and delta wave. Now what is alpha block? Whenever there is a fast, irregular and low voltage activity is recorded during the EEG, it is known as alpha block. when attention is focused on something, whenever there is a sensory stimulation, arousal or alerting response. So it is the alpha block. Types of EEG patterns during sleep. Which type of patterns? REM sleep, that is the rapid eye movement sleep. It's a low amplitude, high frequency oscillations similar to wakefulness. It's a beta waves. During the REM sleep, beta waves are mostly present. Non-REM sleep, it's a resting sleep. So during this, there will be delta waves. Okay. So these are the types of EEG patterns during the sleep.